Welcome to today's Explainer. Today we are unpacking a policy called Elevate, and honestly, it's completely rewriting the rules of family health protection. We're finally moving away from those old, clunky, one-size-fits-all contracts of the past and stepping into a totally new era of high-tech customization.
You know, think about it for a second. For decades, we've kind of just settled for the rigid status quo of traditional health plans. You get a menu, you pick a tier, and you just cross your fingers and hope it covers what you need when the worst happens. But what if your health insurance was actually as smart as you are? What if instead of forcing you into a rigid box, you had an adaptive, bespoke safety net that actually learned and scaled with your life?
Section 1, the AI insurance revolution. Let's dive straight into the core engine behind this whole paradigm shift. Okay, so this is essentially the death of the typical one-size-fits-all plan. Instead of dropping you into some preset tier, Elevate leverages AI to interpret your personal health and financial inputs. It actively analyzes your specific, individual requirements to craft an extensively protective, completely bespoke policy that adapts to you. It's like a custom-tailored suit, but for your health security.
Section 2, unlocking infinite health benefits. Let's see what this revolutionary foundation actually gives us.
The source material highlights features they literally categorize as infinite. And they mean it. For instance, their Infinite Care add-on offers a staggering, one-time infinite claim amount. Right alongside that, you have the massive potential of the Power Booster add-on, which introduces an infinite super loyalty bonus. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, traditionally, if you actually used your insurance, you lose your no-claim bonus, which, let's be real, has always felt totally backward. Elevate completely redefines that concept. The Super Loyalty Bonus is a 100% cumulative boost granted every single year, indefinitely, absolutely irrespective of your claims. So that anxiety of losing your bonus just because you actually got sick? Poof, completely gone.
Then there's the anxiety of simply running out of coverage mid-treatment. The Infinite Reset feature steps in here by offering unlimited refills of your annual sum insured for any illness. If you face multiple distinct claims in a single year, your coverage just resets. It ensures your safety net doesn't suddenly vanish when you need it the absolute most.
Now keep this number in your head, 31. Usually, pre-existing diseases mean waiting literally years for coverage. But with the incredible Jumpstart add-on, 31 is the exact day conditions like asthma, diabetes, or hypertension become fully covered. It is a massive, game-changing acceleration compared to standard industry timelines.
Section 3, comprehensive core coverage, because a revolutionary policy still needs an absolutely rock-solid foundation.
The built-in basic coverage effortlessly handles standard inpatient stuff. Yeah, that includes a private AC room and domestic road ambulances. But it also extends to domiciliary, meaning at-home care, and IISH for alternative medical systems. And beyond the hospital, it covers modern specialized needs like daycare, organ donor expenses, and even bariatric surgery. Plus, their wellness programs can earn you up to a 30% discount on your renewal.
Section 4, personalize with powerful add-ons. This brings us to the ultimate menu of choices.
This right here is where the policy transitions from being merely comprehensive to being truly yours. It's about bespoke protection, tailored to exactly what your family needs.
You have so many dimensions to play with here. Looking at global care, you could opt for worldwide cover offering up to 3 crore in cashless coverage abroad, or an NRI Advantage that discounts the base premium. Got older relatives? The Specialized Care tier offers dedicated senior care and chronic disease management. Or you can focus heavily on family care with maternity benefits and unlimited teleconsultations. It's incredibly modular.
Section 5, smart discounts and logistics. Let's break down the smart financial mechanics and timelines governing all this.
Look, insurance always has waiting periods. Elevate standard timeline ranges from an initial 30 days up to 36 months for standard pre-existing diseases. But the key takeaway here is flexibility. As we saw earlier, strategic add-ons like Jumpstart can smartly bypass that 36-month wait entirely, and you even have options to slash maternity waiting periods from 2 years down to just 1. Okay, get ready for a genuinely surprising number. 15%. That is the potential premium discount you can unlock simply by having a good credit score. It is so rare to see a health policy link your financial responsibility directly to your health premiums, but Elevate actually rewards you for it. And the rewards just compound from there. By engaging with their app's wellness program, renewing your policy early, or simply opting for a multi-year tenure, you stack additional discounts.
It essentially gamifies your health and financial planning, maximizing your savings year over year.
Logistically, most insurance companies chop India up into 4 distinct geographic zones to calculate premiums. Usually, if you live in a cheaper zone but get treated in an expensive city, you get slapped with a massive penalty fee called a co-payment. Elevate absolutely refuses to do this. There is zero zone-based co-payment required, meaning your geography never restricts your care.
The absolute core takeaway from everything we've looked at today is captured perfectly right here. This is about leading a revolution. By leveraging AI, dropping the limits with infinite features, and offering completely modular add-ons, this isn't just a basic list of payouts. It's an intelligent, customizable shield for your family.
It completely changes the baseline of what we should expect from health coverage moving forward, which leaves us with one final thought. Why keep settling for standard, rigid coverage when a bespoke AI-powered safety net is sitting right there? Are you ready to elevate your family's protection? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.